Welcome to part 4 of this series. Me and Jim are looking at the northern part of what will be the Great Central Railway Reunification. We've headed further north in this episode to the former station at East Leake. We left you last time at the magnificent viaduct over the River Soar in Stanford, just outside Loughborough. The line then passes through the very short Barnstone Tunnel, which is the only tunnel of the Reunification project. At less than 100 yards long, it seems confusing why it wasn't just constructed as a standard road bridge in the first place. Driving down Station Road, it just reminded me of the approach to Woodford Halse, but obviously these are girder spans, aren't they, rather than archways. And just underneath, look, you can see a little gap there up to the railway lines, but look at that little arch. So that's the old entrance to the station where you've had the steps gone up to the platforms. That's all bricked up now, as you can see. But again, it was the usual GCR setup in that we had an island platform, and you can see the two bridges here flanking the island platform. I wonder what this little concrete post is right opposite. I wonder if that used to be a sign or something. It's positioned right across from the station entrance, but the little details. Look at this, the little, I assume it's for the hinges, for the doors still present just underneath the arch there. Like most GCR stations, East Leake once boasted a decent-sized goods yard, a common story in that the land is now a housing estate. Passenger services on this section clung on until 1969, which is when this station closed. It's a standard design station which we've come to know and love. It's always such a shame to see how these things are now, but at least there's still the old platform left over, albeit more resembling a lawn than a platform these days. The spectacle of a disused station always creates plenty of interest. However, a quick search online would suggest it will stay just that. Local objections and lack of space around the station entrance and lack of parking will be a serious obstacle to this ever seen a paying passenger again. If anyone's local to East Leake and can shed any light on the village's current feelings towards the railway and station, please drop a comment below. As I say, we're not going to be wandering onto any of the railway lines. This gate's fast shut. I'm not going to be trespassing or going onto there. But there's the platforms, look. We've just come up the side of the bridge abutment. It looks like a fairly well-worn path. Ryanair flight going overhead, that's what that noise is. You can see the platform, that is agonisingly close and tempting, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look. You see the platform, concrete platform there? And it goes right across the top of the bridge, look. So that,
It's a long platform.
you get a good view as well of the wing walls on this bridge, look. Covered with ivy. Just like a Lutterworth. Right, that's East Leake Station, or the former East Leake Station. What have we got coming up next on this series? We're staying in the locality of East Leake, and it's another station, but it's a station with a difference. We're going to be having a look at the Rushcliffe Halt and the story behind that. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks to everyone who supports me. The names are going on the screen now. Much appreciated. Take care, and we'll see you on the next one.